the leadership team for giving me this slot for presentation. So everyone knows about what I am doing. So उसके और गहराई में जाते हैं. So what exactly we are? We are a corporate gifting company, but we don't sell products. We sell solutions. And what kind of solutions and how do we sell solutions? We sell solutions to 3 different segments. B2C, B2B और B2C. B2B में तोहफा वाला नाम से हम पॉपुलर में. B2C में we have a brand on Amazon and other marketplaces also, including Walmart. वहाँ पे Cromlech नाम से we are selling and we are one of the top selling brands on Amazon. और B2CH, that is channel partners. We have authorized channel partners. We are selling on IGP as well. It's one of the India's best seller gifting website. And EWS, this is another dropshipping website which is very popular in the Northeast. So जैसे मैंने पहले बताया कि we don't sell products, we sell solutions. So we need to first identify एक particular problem है जो 21st century का बहुत बड़ा problem है. Can anyone say what exactly is a very big problem in the 21st century?
ऑप्शन ज़्यादा है.
Sorry?
ऑप्शंस ज़्यादा है.
Options ज़्यादा है. Yes. Exactly. Yes. So all this results in poor retention. Options ज़्यादा है. Information overload है. Social media has become so much transparent. कल एक वेंडर से आप कनेक्ट होते हो, कल एक क्लाइंट से कनेक्ट होते हो, वो क्लाइंट के पास बहुत सारे दूसरे वेंडर्स आ जाते हैं. सो कस्टमर रिटेंशन, एम्प्लॉय रिटेंशन, वेंडर रिटेंशन, ऑल दिस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट in a era which is bombarded with information. So customer retention, employee retention, partners retention, vendor retention, this is a major problem today in 21st century. And how do we solve this problem? How our gifts can solve this problem? I will make it clear with certain LCDs जो 3-4 last 3-4 months में हमने achieve किया है. How Tofala solves this problem? So this is my first LCD. This is Mr. Prakash Khate from Bharti Group. He already had one company and उसकी दूसरी 3 companies भी और थी. Now what he wants was के उसके जो existing customers हैं of a particular company, they become customers of other 3 companies without losing business from his existing company. So he wanted to parallelly promote all his 4 companies. So we offered a solution. We offered a particular pen stand. We designed this particular product for him. It's a revolving pen stand. और चारों तरफ उसकी अलग-अलग companies की branding थी. So this was helping him to cross-sell his products in the other 3 companies also. Second LCD is of employees retention. I have changed the name of Mrs. Isha Sangi, but I have changed the name. She is a senior consultant in JP Morgan. Now, she was a senior consultant and the problem that she was facing in the organization was that इतना बड़ा कंपनी में एक job bias था. Due to seniority, qualification, job role, front end, back end employees के बीच में एक one kind of bias था. So how she addressed this problem is she ordered 500 t-shirts, all of the same quality, all of the same color, and made people wear it to office every day. एक simple act था, but it developed a sense of belongingness among all the employees that were working in the company. जब एक सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस आता है, एक सेंस ऑफ इक्वालिटी आता है, एवरीवन, बी इट फ्रॉम द लोअर लेवल स्टाफ टू द अपर लेवल स्टाफ, they are wearing the same kind of t-shirt every day. This helped them to solve the problem of employee retention. The third LCD is of Mr. Ashutosh Gupta. These are also my gives for the chapter. So Mr. Ashutosh Gupta, he is one of the managing head of API Holdings. API Holdings ये कलर से आपको पता चलेगा, ये फार्मेसी का जो पेरेंट कंपनी है, API Holdings प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. सो उनका एक डॉक्टर गैलेक्सी पनवेल के अंदर उनका एक टाई अप है, एक मल्टी क्लिनिक स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल है. सो ओवर देयर व्हाट he saw was doctors were happy with the services of Thyrocare Private Limited, which is another labs for pharmacy. but still doctors were not recommending their name to the patients. So he came up with a solution for partners retention. He came up with a solution and we made for him a certificate made in a welcome kit along with some gifts. And वो certificate के ऊपर there was a tenure. So every 6 months के लिए he is our partner. So they also got the chance to meet that particular doctor every 6 months with a welcome kit and a certificate. So this is how he addressed the complaint of partners retention. The fourth I'll say, everyone will agree with me, जितना customer retention important है, उतना ही vendor retention is also important, right? अब हम जो supplier से ले रहे हैं, हमारे जो manufacturers हैं, that those vendor retention is as important as customer retention. If your vendors are good, if you are able to retain your vendors, you will be ultimately able to retain your customers. So वैसे ही एक case study Mr. Jatin, he is the Hyderabad's regional warehouse manager for Flipkart. He was facing a problem wherein the vendors were not handing over the packages on time. जो Flipkart के जो sellers रहते, they were not handing over the packages on time. So he developed merchandises. That merchandises became a solution for his delay in packages. He मतलब जो sellers time पे दे रहे हैं या sellers पैकिंग बराबर से जैसा स्टैंडर्ड है वैसा कर रहे हैं, he started giving them free merchandises. So again, the vendor retention issue also gets solved through corporate gifting. In the end of my slides, like how will you refer Tohfawala as a problem solver in your network? It's a very simple 3-step approach. Ask them, पूछो उनको. और कभी-कभी कन्वर्सेशन जब आप क्लाइंट के साथ करते हो, so he tells you कि भाई मेरे यहाँ पे स्टाफ बार बार छोड़ के जा रहा है, या ही विल से अरे इसको कोटेशन दिया, अच्छा मेरा कस्टमर था, उसको दूसरा कोटेशन आया, वो वहाँ पे चला गया. So vendor retention is a problem here, employee retention is a problem here. So you can ask them, then you can educate them how corporate gifting can solve this problem, and then you can offer them my details. So obviously that would be very easier conversion for me. So this is how you can refer Tohfawala as a problem solver in your network. So these are my specific gifts जो 3 स्लाइड में